This pose can strengthen your lower body and open your hips. Stand with your feet wide apart and turn your heels in and toes out at 45 degrees. Lower your body until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor. Draw your tailbone down and press your hips forward. Lift your arms to your sides at shoulder height and bend your arms at 90 degrees with your palms facing forward. Breathe in deeply and breathe out completely. Keep your back straight. Keep your knees in line with your toes. Keep your knees over your feet.